Today we're looking at the MAG555, Infomir's latest streaming media player with Google TV. If you want to consolidate your streaming platforms, live TV and apps into one hub, this might be the device for you. Let's take a look. Let's start with the unboxing. Inside you get the MAG555 itself, a sleek, compact design. Next we have the remote, which features dedicated buttons for Google Assistant and popular apps. You'll also find the power adapter, HDMI cable and the usual paperwork. Looking at the ports, on the side it has two USB 2.0 ports for peripherals. Then moving around to the back, it has power in, AV port, HDMI 2.1 with HDCP, an Ethernet for stable wired connection and a SPDIF port. Setting up the MAG555 is straightforward. Plug in your cables, power it on and you're greeted with the Google TV setup wizard. Now this guides you through connecting to your Wi-Fi, logging into your Google account and customizing your preferences. One of the best parts is quickly syncing your Google account, seamlessly pulling in all your apps and preferences. The Google TV interface is a revelation. It's clean, organized and incredibly user-friendly. Instead of being bombarded with a jumble of apps, Google TV presents personalized recommendations based on your viewing habits. It seamlessly integrates all your streaming subscriptions, Netflix, Prime Video, Disney+, you name it, into one unified experience, so that searching for a specific movie or show is a breeze. And the voice search feature is remarkably accurate. Google TV also integrates live TV with over 800 free channels, depending on your location of course, from popular live TV apps such as Tubi, Pluto TV and more. The MAG555 is powered by an Amlogic S905Y4B featuring a quad-core ARM Cortex A35 CPU and an ARM Mali G31 MP2 GPU. This combination delivers efficient processing and smooth playback of 4K content. The MAG555 also comes equipped with 2 GB of RAM, ensuring smooth multitasking and application performance. You'll find 16 GB of eMMC flash storage for your apps and content. This allows you to download a good amount of apps from the Google Play Store and will also keep the operating system running smoothly. It's also certified for major streaming platforms like Netflix, Amazon Prime Video and YouTube, ensuring a seamless experience. Picture quality is where the MAG555 shines. 4K at 60 frames per second with HDR support delivers stunning visuals. The colours are vibrant and the details are crisp. And let's not forget the audio. The MAG555 supports Dolby Audio, providing an immersive sound experience. Whether you're watching a blockbuster movie or a nature documentary, the audio and visual performance is top-notch. The device efficiently handles various video codecs, including AV1, VP9, H.265 HVEC, and H.264 AVC, ensuring smooth streaming even with high-resolution content. The MAG555 guides you through connecting the remote during initial setup with an on-screen guide. It features voice control via Google Assistant and dedicated buttons for quick access to Netflix, Disney+, Prime Video and YouTube, making navigation a breeze. It also uses 2 AAA batteries. According to Geekbench 5 benchmarking tests, The MAG555 achieved a multi-core score of 416 in Geekbench 5. This result places it marginally below the first generation FireTVStick 4K. While this provides a quantitative measure of processing capacity, it's crucial to acknowledge the limitations of benchmarking. Benchmarking tests only test the hardware to its limits and may not reflect real-world performance. Nevertheless, scores can help compare the raw performance capabilities of different devices. Let's touch on some advanced features. Google Cast lets you easily mirror content from your smartphone or tablet. Parental controls are robust, allowing you to manage content access for different profiles. And the network settings offer flexibility for wired and wireless connections, ensuring stable streaming. The most commonly asked question about streaming devices and their advanced features is, can you sideload? And the answer is absolutely yes. As this device runs on Google TV, it's very simple and easy to sideload any app. You can check out my other video on that, on how to sideload Google TV devices, by clicking the link above me or in the description down below. As prices fluctuate and vary between regions, for the most accurate pricing, check out the links in the pinned comment and description below. Here you will also find a discount code for $5 off the purchase price when buying direct from Infomir's website. These features may be worth the extra cost depending on your specific needs and preferences when choosing a streaming device. For more information and to make a purchase, check out the links in the description and pinned comment below. Time for the pros and cons. The pros are that it has an excellent picture and sound quality, seamless Google TV experience, extensive app selection, a solid build quality, and comprehensive codec support. Now for the cons. Depending on your internet speed, 4K streaming can still buffer, which may affect your viewing experience. Also, as with all Google TV products, some users may find some settings challenging to find at first. However, with a bit of exploration, you can easily navigate the interface and adjust the settings to your liking. The MAG555 is a powerful and versatile streaming device. Its excellent performance, seamless Google TV integration, extensive features and robust technical specifications make it a strong contender for the ultimate Google TV box. If you want to elevate your home entertainment experience, the MAG555 is worth considering. Now, what do you think about it? Share your experiences in the comments below. If you'd like to read my full review, which includes a detailed breakdown of the specs and performance, visit my website for more information. As always, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button, comment and subscribe to my channel, making sure that you turn on notifications so you don't miss out on any of my latest releases. These small actions from you make a big difference to me and help to improve how YouTube recommends my videos to potential subscribers. And I truly appreciate your help in making my channel grow.